I got my wedding band back. Let's keep going with what's left in the other part of this Avon tray, which is a set with this Avon jug. This thing is filled too. My God, is this I've been wanting to have this. I believe it's a choker instead of a soft one. Oh, I love chokers. And something this dainty, I can wear all the time. Oh, love it. We have a stretchy ring. Beautiful pearls, stretchy ring. I hope it fits. And it does. I love statement rings. I saw this piece on the jar and I was like, I didn't have anything like this. I'm definitely gonna go for it. This is beautiful. This stack, I am very happy with. I love these colors. She did tell me about this ring. I love lab. Look at that color. It's one of my favorite stones. Yes, it's stamped 925 and it has beautiful sides. It's a little loose, but I can live with it. I can live with it. I'm gonna keep her on. This is so beautiful. This is a beautiful bracelet with the nice clasp. Look at the beads. It's hefty too, so you know that it's good quality. It's definitely too big for me. Oh, I'm so sad. And you can see that these are really nice natural stones on it. I'm gonna give this away. These are beautiful beads. And they are actually, I thought they were plastic. They're not. They're multifaceted, beautiful two-toned, and they will look really good against my dark hair. Keep. More rings. Oh, I love these kind of rings. This one is a little too big, but does it fit my thumb though? You know what? I'm gonna do something to it to make it tighter, to make it fit. I've done that before. I'll do it again. Oh, this is a beautiful vintage bangle. It's adjustable. I don't have anything like this and it has charms on it. And then there's one that says Alex and Ani Energy, infused with energy technology. Charity by design. I don't think I'm gonna keep it. I just don't see myself wearing this a lot because it dangles too much. So I'm gonna give this away. I'll put it in a jar. Glass pendant. Oh my God. I love this. I love glass work when it's beautiful like that. And it sits about here. Looks like a cactus. Looks like a succulent. That's so cool. I love silver. And I'm gonna get a second piercing when I get back to China. Keep. Oh my God. I hope this one fits. Rhinestone flowers. I love it. I'm gonna keep this. This is a beautiful bracelet and it's definitely vintage and I think it's gonna fit me. It looks like an eye, doesn't it? I love that. I see another bangle and I already know it's not going to fit me. Beautiful vintage gold-toned textured bangle. I know it's not gonna fit me. Give it away. A pair of clay earrings. They're cool and kind of 70s, but I don't think I'm gonna wear this to do it justice, so I'm gonna give it away. This is absolutely vintage, and I think it's gonna fit me. Look at this. Very simple, but look at the design of the chain though. I know it's gonna fit me, so I'm gonna keep. This looks a little bit more modern. I believe it's a modern piece, so it's got rhinestone, fluorescent rhinestone. It looks like a wing hugging a heart. And check out the back. Yeah, this kind of stuff I'm definitely going to wear. I saw this just now and I was afraid that it was going to be a bracelet because if it's a bracelet, it's probably not going to fit me. But thankfully it's not and I'm definitely going to keep this. I love statement earrings like this. Oh, this is so fancy. Shines in different colors when it's hit by the light. Oh, this is so bling. I do have a very nice green gown that I can wear it with. I'm so happy. Here's another ring. It looks like a rhinestone flower. Adjustable. Do you see that? It does fit. I will keep. This is a simple hoop earring. This never goes wrong, so I'm always going to keep. Oh, these are beautiful. And they're stamped. These are 1928. Oh my God. 1928 gold royal hoop earrings. Perfect size. I will wear it all the time. Stamped 1928 in the back. We are getting to the bottom. Oh, this is beautiful. It's a drop rhinestone necklace. Actually goes with my engagement ring. Look at this. It's a little deeper, but it also kind of reminds me of a smaller version of the Titanic necklace, doesn't it? Yes, yes, yes. Wow, this one, it's so fancy. It's engagement ring fancy. And it fits. Woo! Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Keeping it on, by the way. A finger band with some leaf texture to it. It's going to fit, but it's a little bit simple for me. I'm gonna put in the knot keep for now, but I'm gonna check if it's silver. Okay, this ring is definitely too big, and I have something kind of similar. This is simple style, but it's definitely too big, even for my thumb. So I will put it in a jar or give it out as freebies. It's a beaded bracelet with a beautiful flower on it. I think it's adjustable and it feels cool. So it's probably some kind of jade, not the most expensive jade, but I love jade because the more you wear it, the deeper the color gets. It's beautiful. I'm gonna keep this one. Last but not least, this is a Leah Sophia piece and I love it. It's so ocean, so mermaid, and I love that the chain is different. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Yes, keep. And let's give this little plate a beautiful twirl. Look at the accents of it. Look at how beautiful this is. And to complete the look, this whole Avon jug and tray set, let's count the pieces, shall we? These are all the pieces I kept, and there are 35 of them. They are just beautiful. The only 9 pieces that I didn't keep are either bracelets and bangles that don't fit or earrings that I know I'm not going to wear. There's 9 pieces here, altogether 44 pieces. That's not counting this set. Correction, I kept 39 pieces. I forgot about the 3 pieces that are on me. That's 49 pieces in total. This is insane. Insane for the price. Nicole, thank you so much. This is coincidentally, but very fittingly, the best celebration. Give Nicole some love. Her jars are amazing. I'll see you very soon in my decluttering videos.